I am thrilled to introduce my new book, The No Diet Diet. This journey began with my own struggles with diet culture and the endless restrictions that never seemed to work. Through trial and error, I discovered a different approach to healthy living, one that embraces balance rather than denial. In the No Diet Diet, I share my personal experiences and the lessons I learned along the way. I unpack the harmful myths surrounding traditional diets and the impact they have on our relationship with food. My goal is to empower readers to break free from these cycles and find what truly works for them. As I wrote this book, I included practical tips that helped me shift my mindset. From intuitive eating to mindful practices, I demonstrate how to listen to your body and respect its needs. These techniques foster a healthier connection with food without the guilt or shame. Throughout the pages, you will find relatable anecdotes that illustrate my journey. I delve into moments of frustration, joy, and everything in between. It's a candid account that I hope will resonate with many who feel trapped by dieting pressures. The climax of the book unfolds as I recount a pivotal moment when I realized that I could enjoy food without restriction. This epiphany led to a sense of liberation that transformed my life. I found joy in meals and comfort in their enjoyment, marking a significant turning point in my journey. As I reached the conclusion of my book, I emphasize sustainability and self-love. It's about nurturing your body, not punishing it. I encourage readers to embrace their individuality and to trust their instincts on this path of self-discovery. I highlight inspiring success stories from individuals who have embraced the principles of the No Diet Diet. Their testimonials remind us that we are not alone in this struggle and that change is possible with the right mindset and support. The No Diet Diet is more than just a guide, it's a movement towards wellness that respects personal experiences and choices. I want my readers to feel empowered to take charge of their health without the constraints of traditional diets. Don't seek perfection, seek progress. This mantra permeates the final sections of my book, reminding readers that small steps lead to significant changes over time. Lasting results come from consistency and kindness toward oneself. I invite you to join me on this journey. Together, let's redefine what healthy living means and embark on a path filled with acceptance, joy, and nourishment. It's time to say goodbye to diets and hello to a life of balance. Thank you for joining me in the unveiling of the No Diet Diet. I hope this book inspires you as much as it has inspired me. Let's empower each other to embrace our true selves and enjoy the journey of life. Look for the No Diet Diet in bookstores and online. Get you paper BAC or ebook at www.wellness-blueprint.com. Your journey towards a healthier, happier you starts now.